this is Jennifer. I am at Burlington. We're gonna see what they have out for Easter. First thing I'm seeing is this Hello Kitty greeter here. She's gonna be $22. She is super cute in her little green outfit with her Easter basket. And actually, she has little eggs in there. It's just not positioned correctly. You just have to figure it out there. They also have some really cool pictures out right now. This one here with the bunny is asleep among the eggs. It's going to be $8. It does have a bunch of glitter on it. You can see better with the light on this one. It's covered in glitter. I think that one's really pretty though. They also have this one here for $8. That is really nice as well. This one doesn't have any glitter on it, but it does have like some thicker extra paint on it there, so it has some texture and dimension on it. Little family having tea. This one here is going to be $7, $6.99 for these three having tea. I think these are all just so pretty. And there's a second Sleepy Bunny one here. This one is a girl one with the bow in her hair. So this one has all the glitter on it as well. It's also going to be $8, but they have the girl one and they have the boy one with his little bow tie. Okay, that is too cute. Those would be so nice in a little kid's room. They also have this one here for $7 with the three ladies having their tea with a bowl of fruit. These are all just so cute. What do you guys think? Do you like these ones? There's also this new little ballerina bunny for $11. Her little pink shoes. And this is new as well. That's going to be $16. Spells out Easter. There's also these little bunnies here. I'm seeing them in pink and blue. I'm going to get a price on these. So they're going to be $8.99 each, which is a great deal. They're probably about 2 feet tall, all the way from their shoes to the tips of their ears. And they also have this one in the green for $8.99. She's a little bit more. She is going to be $10.99. She's sitting on her feet there. Got her little pink shoes as well, $10.99. And then this one in the purple is $10.99. And then similar to the green one is the pink one for $8.99. For $13, you have these little greeters. You got the boy and the girl. And then you have this girl here. She's gonna be $15. I'm gonna move him over a little bit because her boyfriend is right behind her. And he's there with his shovel. So she has the flowers and he has the shovel there. Those are really cute. Those are about 2 feet tall. Okay, this garland is so sweet. I love the florals on here. It's going to be 6 feet long and $9, $8.99 for that. Little bunny shapes there. I think that is so sweet. If you're more into neutrals, there's this one here and the little brown bunnies. Those are going to be $9. And that's a 6-foot garland, by the way, as is this one. Another 6-foot garland with the bunnies and the carrots and the flowers. That's also going to be $9. And then they have this one here as well. It's going to be the same price, $9 for the bunnies and the flowers. They also have this Hello Kitty greeter here for $22. And they have these two cute little bunnies here. They're going to be $11 each. And for $7 each, they have these two little bunnies. The girl's holding the ice cream. The boy's holding his little donut. I love the little clear beads that they use for the legs. That's something different. These are sold separately. I don't want to give the illusion that they're together at all. So they'll be both individually, what I say, $7? Yeah, $6.99 for each of those. I think we already saw this sign, but just in case, it says Hello Spring for $5. These are both destroyed a little bit there. So hopefully if you like it, you see it in the store near you. It's not like that. There's also this one back here that says Happy Easter. That's going to be $7. I think that is really cute. And for $6, they have this one of the wood cutout bunnies, bunny kisses and Easter wishes. And for $7, they have this wood block sign here that says Easter. So they have it in the multicolor pastels, and then they have it with just the white and lavender. Those are going to be $6.99 each. And this little welcome sign here is so cute in the white and pink. It's going to be $5.99. Now we saw her before, but she's so cute. I think she's worth showing twice. She's going to be $9. with her little cupcake and tutu. But we've not seen this little chick here. This little chick is going to be $9, $8.99. So there is a boy and girl version. The boy is broken. He's missing an ear up here. But again, if you like it, and you can hopefully find it intact at your local store. They have this cute little bunny here for $13 with this little Easter basket and carrot. He's probably a good foot tall. There's also this Easter Blessings wood block sign for $5. And for $10, we have this little bunny on the bicycle here. It's a little sisal bunny. So for $10, you have this little bunny, this sisal bunny on the bike with the egg and the florals. I think that is really cute as well. For $13, you have this little bunny here in the blue. And he's got a little basket on his back with some carrots. So that's kind of cute as well. Also for $13, there's this fuzzy bunny, again about a foot tall on these ones, with the little pink stripes and the Easter basket. They are really cute. There's some new Easter blankets as well. So this one is the Powerpuff Girls, $16.99 for 50 by 70. There's also this Care Bear one for $16.99. They're holding Easter eggs there, an Easter basket full of eggs, and just some eggs there with the little symbols on them. That's really cute. And for $20, you have the pillow and blanket set with the Peeps. So there's the pillow, and that's going to be the blanket with just the blue and pink Peeps on it. There's another new one for, at least me, $16.99 for this Stitch blanket. That's going to be the print right there. And here's another Peeps pillow and blanket set. So the the bunny and chick Peep, they're connected here. It's just one pillow. So that's the pillow it comes with. And then there's the blanket that it comes with. Again, that's $20 for the set. The Hello Kitty set with the pillow and blanket is going to be more. It's $30. That's the pillow that you get. And there's the blanket with her in the egg with some of her friends. They also have the Peter Rabbit blanket for $16.99. That's also a 50 by 70. They also have a whole display of these Mochi Monster accessories here. So I don't know if we go through every single one of them, but you got $5.99 here. The smaller one is also $5.99. They have some little key charms and things for $6.99. Some press-on nails for $4. This little zipper pouch for $6. This set of 3. These are going to be $5. Some more bag charms are going to be $6. Then this set of 3 here is going to be $10. So they have a lot of different things here that you can kind of look through and see what you like. They also have some paper Easter grass here that has some confetti in it as well, like the little butterflies. That's going to be $4. I'm seeing lavender, blue, and green. They also have some really cute Easter basket here. So this one's going to be $10. The pink and the brown bunny here, those are going to be $8. This one is also going to be $10. They have this simple rope one here for $6. Then this lamb one, that's going to be $8. And then these are going to be $8. You got the bunny and the chick, the other chick, and the other bunny. Those 4 are all going to be $8. And then we have the licensed plastic buckets here. So you got Mickey and Minnie there. Happy Easter, Donald, Goofy, Daisy. Those are $6. And then the Peanuts one here with the gang and Snoopy. Those are all going to be the same price. Then you have Stitch on that one and Spider-Man on this one. Those will all be the same price. This smaller one with the white bunny is going to be $7. And then they have some Peeps gift Easter baskets here. They're going to be $30 each. So they have the yellow one and the pink one. And then we have some new kitchen towels as well. So for $7 you get a set of 2. These are going to be the same price. You get 2. The Minnie Mouse ones are also going to be $7. You get 2. These are going to be $9. You're going to get 2 of this white one and then a plain pink one. For $7, you're gonna get 2 of this stitch one. Same for that one. Seems like that's the going price for the set of 2 for $7. There's another option. This one with the duck and the geese. Those are also 7 for 2. And those are also 7 for 2. So a couple more options here. These are gonna be all 7 for 2, 7 for 2. Is this one gonna be the same? Yep, 7 for 2. We have a thumper here. Thumper is also gonna be 7 for 2. This nice gauzy one's gonna be the same price. This one's really pretty with the green and the white bunnies. Again, same price. Okay, this is really cute with all the different cakes on it. Is that gonna be the same? 7 for 2. That is so cute. And then there's this one here, more sweet treats, but in the pastels. These are really pretty with the bunnies and the florals and the pink. Yeah, so lots of different options on the kitchen towels here, and that seems to be the price. When they're a 2-pack, it's gonna be 7 for 2. The 3-packs are $1 or 2 more. And that is gonna do it for our trip into Burlington today. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it every time you do. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up, hype it if you really like it, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And I will see you all in the next one.